First of all, click on Start Lab, and the first thing in the description box, I've shared the file. You have to just copy it, and one thing, just come over here, right click and open an incognito window. Okay, so just paste it like this in the incognito window. I've shared the file link in the description box. You need not to worry. Now wait for the file to fully open. Now once the file is open, you have to click on this copy button, copy app button. Then just select Google and come back again. Copy the user email from the lab instructions, paste it over like this. Again, do with the password too. All these things are done. Click on I understand. Click on continue, allow, and from here we have to copy the app again. So just click on it, wait for a second. Now, once it is ready, just click on the copy again and just click on copy app. Now, while it's being copied, you can come back to the lab instruction and try to check the score. Do not worry, it will take some time. After that, we'll check the score again. So once the page is fully refreshed, you can see it's being copied over here. And if you try to check the score, you can see we have got the score. So you can wait for some more time and wait for the app to update it and then just check the score. All the files are present in the description box. Just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find it. Thank you. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.